Hi lovely souls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you already know from the title of this video what this video is gonna be today. So a quick disclaimer, I have included my facial hair removal routine includes three methods, that is tweezing, threading and shaving. So if you want to know how my facial hair removal routine looks like, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by tying my hair back. I'll be using the Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can apply any aloe vera gel, actually whatever you have, and apply a generous amount on my skin. Using a generous or a layer of aloe vera gel on your face before shaving your face creates a barrier on your skin, जिससे क्या होता है कि shaving बहुत smooth तरीके से हो जाता है. This razor is from Feather Pioneer. I got this from Nykaa for 99 rupees. I'll be using it slowly on my face, being very careful around my new friend. I concentrate more on my sideburns rather than on my cheeks, so I make sure that my sideburns are completely clear because I don't like that. Now I'm gonna move on to my chin area. Just make sure that when you are shaving your face that your skin is very tight. And now I'm gonna move on to a little bit of painful part, that is the threading. So I've been doing threading for nearly around 4 to 5 years. थ्रेड का जो लेंथ होता है वो एक्चुअली आई डू इट अंदाजे से. सो या आई विल टेक बोथ द एंड्स and make a knot. See, just a simple knot, and there you have it. Just I'm gonna hold one part and just twist for around 10 to 15 times, and there you have it. Now I'm gonna place the thread very closely on my skin and start my threading. As you can see, I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows now. I'll just take a spoolie and brush down my hair, and then I'm gonna thread the upper portion of my eyebrows. I actually don't shave that portion or twist that portion. I find it comfortable threading that portion. I get a precise result. Just making sure that I don't have any peach fuzz left over there. Now I'll just brush up my eyebrow hairs and start twisting the extra hairs. I'll just firmly pull my skin and start twisting it. I just make sure that I pull my hair in the direction of its growth. Just try doing this, guys. I assure you it's gonna hurt less, so just try it once. Now I'm just gonna move on to the other eyebrow and do the same thing, repeat the same steps. I actually prefer having a rounder brow with a little bit of arch. I prefer that shape on my face. After it's done, I'm gonna move on to applying a toner. Using the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. It's a really good toner. it's on a budget and does its job. I've been recommending it for years to my family and friends. I'll just be finishing it off with some aloe vera gel and giving myself a massage because I deserve it. You should do it too because you deserve it too. Self-obsessed, right? I'm done with my massage and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.